Go up to the light, check signs, see what you can and cannot do. Green, blink your right, turn, turn. Yes, good turn, turn out. Hey, that was good, let's go. Okay, go ahead and get over one lane to the left. Give me a blinker, down, and give me that gas. Yes, that was tight. Kill your blinker, you all set. So now we're in a smaller city. Police presence is strict, some good turns. I'm working you harder I can work you, the more you're gonna learn sooner. Squeeze that brake more. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Roll on. Can't do it. Make excuses. So we're not letting you make excuses. Hold me accountable, I'm gonna hold you accountable. I want you to be great. You gotta be greater than me. You gotta do it. At the light, you're gonna make a left turn. Just before the light, get into the middle. Turn on your left blinker down. Yes, brother, that was good. That was good. You did all that on your own. Stay in the middle of the lines. Don't hurt the line. Good job. Nice, man. So, you're just waiting for your green turning arrow. Some yellow. Your time. No, big dog. Take your time. Don't cut it short. Just go up. You're okay. Just go in slow. Turn slow. Good. Okay. Stay in this lane. That was perfect. That was perfect. Keep going. At the light, make a left turn. I know. You're okay, big dog? I know. You see all the craziness. Yeah, they about to crash, bro. You driving good.
You said right
turn. At the light, you're going to make a left turn. So you want to get up to them. Don't get in now. Wait. Now turn on left turn signal. Check. Perfect. You're doing good. Good. You're doing well. Your speed is good. Pause for a second. Check traffic. Wait for the red truck. Stop. Don't go up any further because when you turn, so let's just wait for traffic. Patient. You got a blinking yellow, so if it's clear, but we're yielding, and I don't want you to panic and hit gas real hard. So I never put my students in jeopardy, or you. We can wait. We still go wait. Turn now, got a green, stay to the left. Yes. Perfect. Stay in this lane. Stay to the left. Good. Stay in this lane. Go all the way down to the light. At the light, you'll make a left. Keep going. Good. Ooh, top hill is packed. Man. At the light, you'll make a left. You did really well. Right, you make a left. Just before the light, you'll get in the middle. Don't get in early. You see where the line is broken? That's where you get in. Go ahead, merge in. Yes, sir. And you want to go up, yield for traffic, and go up a little bit more. A little bit more. Stop. Go now. Turn. So you're still looking. Turn out. You're okay. Stay by the double yellow. You see the speed limit. It's getting comfortable. That's nice. Make sure you are at the speed limit. This is a radar enforced area. We're not trying to get a ticket. We're trying to be safe out here. And we're going to see if the cones are set up so you can practice for your examinations. Yes, they're up. Turn on left-hand turn signal. At this driveway, I'm going to make a left turn. Squeeze your brakes, slow us down. Go in slow. Squeeze. Turn. Squeeze your brake and turn. You're turning too late. That's why your turns are a little ghetto. Okay, this is the real part. Turn the wheel. Okay, I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to pause you. This is your state examination. You have to be able to do this to pass your test. If you can't do this, I'm going to put you in park a second. You will do this. I'm going to show you what to do, and then you do it. So you and I are going to switch. I'm going to show you first. So let's switch. Go switch. All right, this is your state examination. I'm going to keep it simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Bam. Okay, the first one is the stop line. This is where a lot of people fall off. First, if you don't have a car, you're gonna have to pay a company to rent a car. You're gonna use this one. I got you. I'm gonna show you. The first one is the stop line. You see that yellow line? The front end cannot go past that. I'm gonna show you a cheat code. We wanna line up the broken white line under our mirror. So I'm gonna roll up first. And I'm gonna look in my mirror, go up, find the line. See, I can look in my mirror, the white line is under my mirror. This is the first one. Then you honk your horn. Most people do this really well. The second one, you're gonna back in between those cones. You're like, what? I'm gonna put it in reverse. I'm gonna back up slow. And then I'm gonna turn the wheel to the left. You see me backing in, big dog, come on, man. Okay, you have to do this. And I'm checking both sides. Oh, I'm good.